quick recording about how to add and remove things from your dock on the MacBooks. This is an iMac Desktop, but they're pretty much all the same. So if you'll look here, on your dock you have three sections. You have a sort of a managed section, your network section. These can't really be moved. You have a recently used things that are not always on your dock, and then you have the things that are permanently on your dock. So first, if you want to add something that is not currently here, you would go to the launch pad, the rocket symbol, click on it. This will show you all of the different applications that you have on your computer. Any of these can be placed in and off the dock. I'm just sliding the screen back and forth, but alternatively you can click on these dots and it will show you your programs that way. So I want to move, say, the App Store onto my dock. So I'm going to click on the App Store. I'm going to drag it down until the two apps separate on the dock. I'm going to let go of it and it will appear in the dock. Conversely, if I want to remove the App Store from the dock, grab it, drag it up until the word remove appears, and then I let go and it removes it from the dock. Another way to get to that screen is to use the F4 button on your computer. Also, another way to add and remove things from your dock would be, if it's here, you can take it and just drag it over here, or you can take it and drag it off. Another way to do it would be to press and hold, or if you have right click turned on your mouse, right click and go to options and say remove from dock. Or you can come here and do the same thing and say keep in dock. So drag and remove, or you can go to the launch pad and drag to add. And that's pretty much it.